Ever thought of how much Milky Way galaxy weigh?
No, actually never thought of that, but would love to know about it.
Okay, so let's start from the beginning. We live in gigantic star city. Our Milky Way galaxy contains an estimated 200 billion stars, but that's just a bare tip of iceberg. The Milky Way is surrounded by a vast amount of unknown material called a dark matter that is invisible.
Oh, dark matter. That is invisible because it doesn't release any radiation.
Astronomers know it exists because dynamically the galaxy would fly apart if dark matter didn't keep a gravitational lid on things.
Still, astronomers would like to have precise measure of galaxy's mass to better understand how the myriad galaxies throughout the universe form and evolve.
Other galaxies can weigh from around a billion solar masses to 30 trillion solar masses. But what does our galaxy weigh?
Curious astronomers teamed up with Hubble Space Telescope and European Space Agency's Gaia satellite to precisely study the motions of the globular star clusters that orbit our galaxy like bees around a hive.
Did you know? The faster the clusters move under the entire galaxy's gravitational pull, the more massive it is. The researchers concluded that the galaxy weighed 1.5 trillion solar masses, most of it locked up in dark matter. Therefore, the Milky Way in Goldilocks galaxy, not too big and not too small.
Is there any instrument to measure the weight of our galaxy?
We can't put the whole Milky Way on a scale, but astronomers have been able to come up with one of the most accurate measurements yet of our galaxy mass using NASA's Hubble Space Telescope and European Space Agency's Gaia satellite.
The Milky Way weighs 1.5 trillion solar masses according to the latest measurements. Only a few percent of this is contributed by 200 billion stars in Milky Way, 4 million solar mass supermassive black holes at the center.
Most of the rest mass is locked up in dark matter, an invisible and mysterious substance that acts like scaffolding throughout the universe and keep the stars in their galaxies.
Early research dating back several decades used a variety of observational techniques that estimated our galaxy mass ranging between 500 billion to 3 trillion solar masses.
When the Gaia and the Hubble measurements are combined as an anchor points like pins on a map, astronomers can estimate the distribution of Milky Way's mass out to nearly 1 million light years from the Earth.
But how Hubble can measure or estimate the mass? Well, Hubble has no thrusters. To change angles, it uses Newton's third law by spinning its wheel in opposite direction. It turns at about the speed of a minute hand on a clock, taking 15 minutes to turn 90 degrees.
Not knowing the precise weight of our Milky Way galaxy leaves behind variety of questions unanswered, and that's why it was important to measure the weight of our galaxy. But still, apart from our galaxy, there are many other galaxies, which remains traces of some other parallel universe. But is there any evidence of some other parallel universe? And as always, thanks for watching.
If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe our YouTube channel.